Today, we'll dive into 7 ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. There are tons of resources available online to help you find the perfect opportunity. Working remotely opens doors to a variety of income streams, so let's explore the 7 unique ideas to get you started. Turn your plant hobby into a business. Propagate trendy or rare houseplants and sell them online through Etsy, Craigslist, or local marketplaces, or partner with cafes or interior design stores to showcase your thriving plant babies. This low-investment venture lets you nurture your hobby while cultivating a thriving business, all from the comfort of your home. Believe it or not, some folks have turned plant propagation into a full-time gig. Number 2, online tutoring. Do you love a subject and are you good at explaining things? Become an online tutor and help students learn. This flexible job lets you share your knowledge and make a real difference in students' lives. There are many websites that connect tutors with students of all ages and learning styles for subjects like math, science, languages, or even test prep. Set your own hours, teach the way you like, and see the satisfaction of students reaching their goals, all from home. At StudyPool, for example, you can earn up to $7,500 monthly working from home by answering questions. Number 3, turn your thrifting skills into cash and become an online reseller. Love finding hidden gems at garage sales or scoring amazing deals at thrift stores? This could be your perfect work-from-home job. Be an online reseller. Find great deals on clothes, furniture, or anything else, then sell them for a profit on websites like eBay or Poshmark. These platforms connect you with a huge audience of eager buyers looking for pre-loved treasures. Sharpen your eye for a bargain and find gently used or discounted items. Brush up on your photography and writing skills to create awesome listings that show off your finds. With a little planning and a knack for spotting deals, you can turn everyday treasures into a thriving online business, all from the comfort of your living room. If you love crafting catchy posts, following trends, and keeping up with the latest social buzz, then social media management could be your perfect work-from-home fit. Many businesses struggle to maintain an active and engaging online presence. Here's your chance to step in and become their social media manager. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating eye-catching content, scheduling posts, and interacting with followers. You'll help businesses connect with their audience, build brand awareness, and ultimately drive sales, all through the power of social media. Most importantly, you can set your own hours and work remotely. There are many websites where you can find social media management jobs, including freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, or job boards that specialize in marketing positions like Indeed or LinkedIn. With platforms like Upwork, you don't wait for clients to find you. Actively search for jobs on Upwork instead. Search using relevant keywords and filters to find projects that match your skills. Landing your first client might take time, so be persistent and keep applying for jobs. The more you apply, the higher your chances of getting noticed. In the beginning, prioritize getting positive reviews over high pay. A strong review history will attract future clients. While some initial jobs might not be high-paying, Upwork can connect you with long-term clients who consistently require your services. With your expertise and dedication, you can help businesses thrive in the ever-evolving world of social media. Most importantly, you can set your own hours and work remotely, achieving the flexibility many dream of. Idea number 5. Share your knowledge and become a podcast host. Got a captivating story, a niche expertise, or a passion you love to talk about? The world of podcasting is thriving, and you could be the next captivating voice on the airwaves. Record episodes on topics you're passionate about, interview fascinating guests, and build a loyal following. Monetize your show through advertising or listener-supported models like Patreon, allowing you to turn your passion into profit, all from the comfort of your own home studio. Number 6. Turn your ideas into mobile apps. If you have a brilliant idea for an app that could make life easier or more fun, While this requires some technical knowledge, there are app development tools and online courses to help you create and sell mobile apps. It's becoming more accessible than ever. Several user-friendly tools and online courses can guide you through the app creation process, even with limited technical knowledge. Platforms like Thunkable or Buildfire offer drag-and-drop interfaces that make building basic apps a breeze. More advanced options allow for greater customization. Once your app is polished, you can sell it on popular marketplaces like the Apple App Store or Google Play, reaching millions of potential users worldwide. With dedication and the right resources, you could turn your innovative idea into a thriving mobile app business. And last but not least, number 7. Become a domain flipper. Think you have a knack for spotting catchy and memorable names? This skill can translate into profits with domain flipping. You buy website domain names at a low cost and then resell them for a significant gain to businesses or individuals seeking a unique online identity. You have to think creatively with this one. Look for domain names that are relevant to current trends, easy to remember, and ideally short and sweet. Use online tools to check domain availability and pricing. Once you've secured a promising domain name, list it on marketplaces like GoDaddy Auctions or Cedo, where potential buyers can discover your hidden gem. With a strategic approach and a bit of luck, you could turn a clever domain name into a profitable online flip. And patience is key. Some domains might sell quickly, while others might require holding for the right buyer. But for those with an eye for opportunity, domain flipping can be a fascinating and potentially lucrative online venture. And that's it for today. Success in any of these areas may require some initial investment of time or resources to learn new skills or build an audience. However, the potential for flexibility and income generation can be very rewarding. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until next time, keep working remotely.